welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're going to be doing a line dance. It is a 32 count floor wall line dance with one restart on the 9th wall. But before we get into the video, if this is the first video you're watching of mine, or if you've been watching my videos for a while and you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to the channel because it really does help, but it'll also help you guys to know when my videos come out. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, let's do it. So, you're going to take 2 walks forward. You're going to walk right, left. So try it with me. Ready, and we walk right, left. Good. Now from here, your left foot's in front. You're going to be making a half turn. So you're going to bring your right foot in front, and that half turn, we're going to be turning towards our left. So you stepped on your right foot, and then you're going to step on your left foot, and then you're going to bring your right foot in front. So the half turn, we go right, left, right. Right foot ends up in front. So the whole thing from the top, we walk right, left, right, left, right. One more time. Very good, guys. Keep it up. Ready, and right, left, right, left, right. Good. From here, you're going to take 2 walks forward again. You're going to walk left, right. So try it. We walk left, right. Now you're going to make another half turn. This half turn is going towards our right. So we step our left foot in front. We go left, right, left. So our left foot ends up in front. Okay? So again from the top, we walk right, left, right, left, right. Now left, right, half turn, left, right, left. One more time. Ready, and from the top, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Very good. So your left foot ends up in front. So from here, next part, you're going to bring your right foot out. You're going to go right, and then left behind. Then you're going to kind of do like a quick step. So it's going to go right, left foot's in front, and then right, in. Bring that left foot in. So our left foot's in front. We step out right, left. Now this is the quick step. Right, left, right, in. Again. Left foot's in front. We go right, left, right, in. One more time. From that part. Ready, and right, left, quick step, quick in. Good. To the left, we bring our left foot out. Left, right behind. Do another quick step. Left, right. Your right foot crosses over. Left, bring the right foot in. So again, from that side, you go left, right behind. Left, right, left, right. Again. Ready, and left, right, quick step, quick in. One more time. We go left, right, left, right. So let's go from the right side. Left foot's in front. We ended there. So going to the right, we step right, left, quick step, quick in, left, right, quick step, quick in. The whole thing from the top. 5, 6. Here we go. We walk right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. I'm going to move over a bit. We would go right, left, quick step, quick in, left, right, quick step, quick in. And remember that right foot comes in. Okay, so we just brought our right foot in. From here, your right heel is going to go down twice. You're going to go 1, 2, and then you're going to jump both feet together in. So you go 1, 2, jump. Again, with that right heel, 1, 2, jump. So after you do the second heel, both feet, we kind of go to our right. So it goes 1, 2, jump. And then the same thing to the left side. It goes 2 heel, 1, 2. Then you're going to jump to your left. Jump. So 1 with the right heel, 1, 2, jump. Left heel, 1, 2, jump. The counts are, for that part, it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so from the top, we're going to do it with the counts. And 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, good work, guys. Next part, we just finished the 1 and 2, 3 and 4. From here, you're going to bring your right foot in front. We're just going to work on the footwork for now, and then we're going to add in the arms because there's arms for this part. So you're going to do a half turn to your left, and you're going to bring your right foot in front. You're going to go toe, heel, and we turn. Now our left foot's in front, and we're going to do a toe, heel. So the right foot, we do toe, heel, make that half turn. Left foot, toe, heel. So the counts are, for this part, it is 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember that toe, heel, right foot, left foot. And we're turning towards our left. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so for the arms, I'm going to face you guys for this part. And my right foot's in front. So your arms are going to come in towards you, and your hands are in a fist. You bring them in, and then you're going to bring it around. Okay, so we go in, so we're on our right, in, and then we bring it around to our left, and then you're going to bring it in again, and then you're going to go up and over. So you're going to go up and over. So like you're going over something, or you're bringing it over and down. So it goes in, around, in, up, down. Okay, so with the footwork, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's go from the heel digs. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So let's go from that part. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Bring it in, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good job. Whole thing from the top. Here we go. And a 5, 6, here we go. We walk right, left, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next part, you're going to go, your left foot is in front, you're going to scuff with your right foot, and a scuff is you're just using the heel of your foot. You're not using anything else. You're going to scuff with that right foot, and then you're going to bring your right foot down, right, left. So it looks like 1 and 2. So again, right foot is behind, we scuff 1 and 2. And the feet are right, right, left. And the counts are 1 and 2. Now from here, you're going to make a quarter turn to your left. You're going to step your left foot out. Sorry, your right foot out. 3 and 4. So bring that right foot in front, and we make a quarter turn. So from the scuff, we go 1 and 2, 3, 4. Again, ready, and 1 and 2, 3, 4. We're almost done now. So your feet are apart. You're going to jump on the spot. So you're going to go jump. And then you're going to cross your feet over. So your right foot's going to go over your left. So the counts are 5, 6. So 2 jumps. 5, 6. Again, 5, 6. Now from here, your right foot's over your left. You're going to do a full turn, not moving your feet to the left. And it goes like this. So our right foot's over our left. We're not moving our feet. We're just turning our body to the left. Full turn. And then from here, you're going to do a little mini jump. and then you're going to kick your right foot out, and your left foot's going to go back. So it's not a big kick, a little kick. So like that. And as I do that, I kind of just throw my arms out. So you kick with your right foot, and your left foot goes back. So we jump. So from the jump, out, and cross. Ready, and. So it goes 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, the counts are 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's go from the part where we do the scuff. So it's the 1 and 2. 5, 6, here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. That is the whole dance. So we're going to do it from the top. And 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so new wall, same dance. Here we go. You're starting with your right foot, taking 2 walks forward, and 5, 6, and here we go. We walk 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, new wall, same dance. Here we go. And 5, 6, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, last time before I explain the restart. So here we go. New wall, same dance. And 5, 6, here we go. We walk right, left, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the restart. We're going to imagine we're on the 9th wall. I'm going to face this way. So on the 9th wall, this is where the restart comes in. So you're going to start the dance. So it's the same thing. You walk right, left, 3, and 4, left, right, 7, and 8. Then we're going to be doing the restart. So we do it again. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then you would keep going. And that's the only restart. And when you guys watch the video with music, I'll make sure you know when the restart is. Okay, so we'll do it one more time with the restart included. So we're going to imagine we're on the 9th wall. So we're on the 9th wall. We do the dance. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Restart. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then you would keep going. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you want to see this dance with music, please be sure to check out the link below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. And of course, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.